this video, I'm super excited to share with you how you can make an online sale in your sleep. Waking up to a sale is the most awesome feeling and I want to share it with you. I'm using Canva and Redbubble to make it happen, and so can you. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor here to help you grow your influence and income online. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to get notified of new videos every week. Everything here to help you create the business and life you deserve. Hey, listen, influence comes before income. So stay focused on building your influence online, unless you have a huge marketing budget, of course, to spend on ads. But with that said, you can still start setting up other income streams while building your influence. And in this video, I'll share with you the Canva affiliate program and the Redbubble e-commerce platform to help you do just that. There are several online income stream opportunities like affiliate marketing, e-commerce, creating and selling your own course, or getting YouTube monetized, to name a few. And you should really consider setting up several of these options. YouTube monetization, for example, is often not enough to live off of if that's your goal. You should nurture several income streams. But don't let this overwhelm you. Start with step one. Yes, your challenge at this stage in your journey is to stay focused on building your influence, but nonetheless, you can start learning affiliate marketing and e-commerce in parallel. Give this video a like if you're ready to make an online sale in your sleep. Stay till the end, where I've linked videos showing you how to move forward with both Canva and Redbubble from here. Canva is a great design tool if you're, for example, a YouTuber wanting to create highly clickable thumbnails, or for example, if you're a teacher wanting to create great learning material for your students. And while using Canva, you might as well sign up to their affiliate program so that you can promote it to others and get a commission once they decide to buy off of your affiliate link. And how to sign up with the Canva program is one of the videos I've linked at the end of this one. You can do this too. When you've applied to the Canva affiliate program, there's going to be a couple of business days of waiting for approval, and why not learn Canva in the meantime so that you can promote it with integrity once approved. Redbubble is a print-on-demand e-commerce dropshipping platform, and you don't need any previous knowledge of e-commerce to get started. All you need is an idea of some kind of message, print, or artwork that you want to put on your products in the Redbubble webshop. And you don't have to be an artist. I, for example, create simple text or image-based designs in Canva, and I upload them to the products in Redbubble. It's that simple. And you can do it too. There are lots of fonts and images to choose from in Canva. And setting up a Redbubble webshop is free. Yeah, you heard me, it's free and it's super easy. I've linked a video at the end of this one showing you how to. And Redbubble takes care of everything for you. Everything from marketing to printing, shipping, payments, etc. And you get a commission. I'll give you a tip. When you set your shop up, make sure to enable all products with your prints. You never know what people are going to want to buy. It might be a mug, a t-shirt, or a pillow. That way you're increasing the chances of getting your products in front of a larger Redbubble audience. I woke up the other day having made $3.50 in my sleep. Oh, I know that's not much, but it's something. It's something, and it's most importantly proof. It's proof that it works. And as a nano, micro, mini, small online entrepreneur, that's all you need now and then to get the proof that you can do this and it works. All you have to do is keep going and going and going until you reach that dream goal of yours. So with that said, watch these videos to sign up to the Canva affiliate program and create your web shop in Redbubble and start earning from day one. And I do hope you wake up one day in the near future having made an online sale in your sleep. And since you've made it this far into the video, put in the comments below to confuse everyone else. I can do this too. And I will. All the best, good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.